Hey guys, I'm Leo with Fast Offer guys, and we just bought another property here in Farmington Hills. Here's the lovely house, and we'll go inside. I'll show you a little bit more. But so we bought this house from the executive of the estate, and his dad began to renovate this house, but passed away, and obviously wasn't able to finish. So the seller had several siblings that they were looking to get the best offer on their house, so they can maximize the profits and split it. So he told me he had two other offers from investors that were trying to lowball him, and then there wasn't any follow through. Actually, one of them was not even local. So after viewing the property, I gave him a fair, solid cash offer, and the next day, and we closed exactly 10 days later. So here we are. So guys, Fast Offer guys is a real estate solutions company with its mission to help homeowners in tough situations like foreclosure or unwanted inheritance, problem tenants, house needs too much work, or anything else. We're here to help you, and we've seen all kind of situations. So we're local, we buy houses company, and we help each homeowner like you personally. And we believe in integrity, transparency, honesty, creating win-win deals, and making this a hassle-free experience. Real estate knowledge as well of local Detroit market. We have legal resources and funds available to fix most real estate problems and buy your house for cash quickly. We buy houses anywhere in Farmington Hills, Michigan, and other parts of Metro Detroit area for any price and condition. We have direct house buying process that is transparent and efficient. If you need to sell your house fast, connect with us today. We would love to make you a fair, no obligation, no hassle offer. Take it or leave it.